Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to play games in 1xBet. Firstly, visit the official 1xBet website or open the mobile app. If you're new, complete the registration process. Now go to deposit section from the main menu to deposit and fund your account. Now, 1xBet has a variety of gaming categories. Here's how to find them. On the top menu, click on Casino for slots and table games. Select Live Casino for real-time dealer games like blackjack, baccarat, and roulette. Explore 1x games for exclusive 1xBet mini-games such as 21, Dice, Crash, Wheel of Fortune, and more. Also try virtual sports if you enjoy simulated sports betting with instant results. Now browse the game lobby. You can filter the game type, and popular choices include slots, table games, live casino, and mini games. Now click on any game to open it and hit play, spin, or deal depending on the game type. For live casino games, you can place bets during the dealer's betting window and watch results unfold in real time. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.